how much should you actually spend on an auto-darkening welding helmet? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, UCC Life True Color Helmet. Let's kick things off with the UCC Life Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. At just $19.99, it caught my attention for its impressive features for a budget-friendly option. If you want decent performance without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This helmet has a 0.1 millisecond ultra-fast auto-darkening feature. That means your eyes are protected almost instantly when you strike an arc, so no more squinting or worrying about sudden flashes. Plus, the True Color high-definition optics let you see your welds clearly, which is crucial for precision work. With over 600 units sold just this month, it seems to resonate with hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts. Now, some users mention that it's not meant for heavy-duty industrial use. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly a hobbyist or doing light projects, this shouldn't be a deal breaker at all. It's designed with comfort in mind, featuring a breathable vent system that reduces neck fatigue. This is perfect for you if you're a casual welder looking for a budget-friendly helmet. Skip this one if you're planning on heavy industrial use. It offers solid value for your money.
Product number 2, Yes Welder Large View Helmet. If the UUCC Life Helmet's limitations bothered you, the Yes Welder Large View Auto Darkening Helmet might be your answer. Priced at $49.99, it combines performance with a larger viewing area, which is great for better visibility during your welding tasks. This helmet features blue light blocking technology, which protects your eyes from harmful rays while still allowing you to see true colors. With a wide shade range of 359913, it's versatile enough for TIG, MIG, and even grinding. Users have given it a solid response due to its fast auto-darkening response time of 1/30,000th seconds, giving you peace of mind as you work. However, some complaints noted it feels a bit heavier than expected, but honestly, that's often the trade-off for having additional features and durability. If you're serious about your welding, that little extra weight might not be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a helmet that offers great visibility and comfort. Skip this if you prefer something ultra lightweight. Overall, it packs a good punch for the price.
Product number 3, MIG-Van Auto Darkening Helmet. The MIG-Van Welding Helmet, coming in at $89.98. This helmet really stands out with its true color optics and large viewing area. If you want a helmet that gives you a clear view of your work without distortion, this is worth a serious look. The auto darkening feature kicks in at 1/10,000th of a second, meaning you won't miss a beat during your welding sessions. Plus, it's solar and rechargeable, so you're not constantly worrying about changing batteries. Users appreciate that it meets ANSI/CE standards, making it a reliable choice for serious welders. However, I did find some feedback about the adjustment controls being a bit fiddly. Here's the thing though, once you set it up, you're likely to forget about it, allowing you to focus on your work. This is perfect for you if you want advanced features without going overboard on price. Skip this if you're looking for something super basic. It's a solid investment for those who take their welding seriously.
Product number 4, Miller Classic Series Helmet. If you're looking for something a bit more high-end, the Miller Classic Series Auto Darkening Helmet is priced at $134.06. This helmet is known for its clear light technology, which enhances optical clarity and is perfect for precision tasks. With a viewing area of 6 square inches and a switching speed of 1/23,000 seconds, this helmet ensures you see every detail. It's suitable for various applications, making it great for both experienced welders and beginners alike. The adjustable digital controls for shade, delay, and sensitivity allow you to customize your experience. On the downside, some users felt it might be overkill for casual projects, but honestly, if you're serious about welding, this helmet could last you for years and truly enhance your work. This is perfect for you if you're a professional or a serious hobbyist. Skip this if you only weld occasionally. It's a worthwhile long-term investment for serious welders.
Product number 5, TRQWH True Color Helmet. We have the TRQWH Welding Helmet at $29.99. This affordable option packs quite a punch with its true color technology and decent optical clarity. It features solar and battery-powered options, which is great for longevity. The adjustable settings allow you to tailor the experience based on your specific needs. It's a versatile helmet that handles everything from TIG to MIG welding without a hitch. However, some reviews pointed out that the sensitivity settings might need tweaking for different environments. Here's the thing though, once you find the right settings for your workspace, it's pretty effective.
This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want a reliable helmet. Skip this if you require professional-grade features. It's a fantastic option for hobbyists and light use.
So, there you have it. We covered everything from budget-friendly options like the UCC Life helmet to the more professional Miller Classic series. Each helmet has its strengths, so it really boils down to your needs and how much you're willing to invest. Whether you're a casual hobbyist or a dedicated welder, there's something on this list for you.